Let's talk about Kima environment. The Kima environment is a runtime that developers can use to build cloud-native Kubernetes-based extensions to SAP by using microservices and serverless functions. Kubernetes is an open source system for automating deployment, scaling, and management of containerized applications. Kima environment is a fully managed Kubernetes runtime based on the open source project Kima. It is also part of Cloud Foundry environment. Kima is a platform for extending applications with serverless functions and microservices. Now, what is serverless and microservice? Serverless computing is a cloud computing execution model in which the cloud provider runs the server and dynamically manages the allocation of machine resources. Microservice architecture arranges an application as a collection of loosely coupled services.